Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this professional contacts access database platform, which is RocketReach. So to dive into it, RocketReach is a popular tool for finding professional contact, giving user access to a massive database of emails, phone number, and social profile. It's easy to use, offer a accurate search filters, and integrate with platforms like LinkedIn, Salesforce, HubSpot, making it useful for sales teams and recruiters and marketers who need a quick access to leads. Many users also like its browser extension, which make prospecting even faster. On the downside, or on the flip side, RocketReach isn't perfect. Some of the contact information can be outdated, leading to rebounced email, and the pricing gets expensive if you need a lot of lookup and hitch mod. So it also lacks advanced outreach tools like automated email sequence, so it works better as a data finding tools than a full sales solution. In conclusion, RocketReach is good if you want a reliable prospect discovery in 2025, but heavy users may find it limited compared to more complete sales platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on notification button and subscribe for more.